Hey, folks! It's good to have you back at our hub for everything health and rejuvenation. Today's discussion centers around a timeless gem, the extraordinary potency of green tea. This beverage, treasured for centuries, goes beyond being a mere drink. It's a powerhouse of goodness. So don't forget to snag your favorite mugs as we embark on a journey into the enchanting universe of this magical elixir. Green tea isn't just about sipping, it's a holistic experience. Packed with antioxidants, it has the potential to uplift both body and mind. So, whether you're a tea enthusiast or just curious, let's unravel the secrets, explore its rich history, and understand why this brew has stood the test of time. Get ready to discover the wonders that a simple cup of green tea can bring to your life. Cheers to health and well-being. The story of green tea is a journey through time, reaching back thousands of years to its roots in China. Its origin tale is woven into the fabric of history, an ancient tradition that captivated hearts and taste buds alike. As the hands of time turned, green tea transcended borders, becoming a cherished treasure for cultures worldwide. What sets green tea apart, you ask? Well, it's a harmonious blend of incredible health benefits and a taste that's truly one of a kind. In the vast tapestry of teas, green tea stands out as a beacon of wellness. Its unique flavor profile, a dance of freshness and subtlety, has enchanted tea enthusiasts for generations. Beyond the flavor, green tea is a wellness elixir, a testament to nature's healing properties. Laden with antioxidants, it's a sip of vitality, a journey to well-being. So, join me as we traverse the intricate pathways of history, exploring how this simple leaf, steeped in tradition, became a global symbol of health and taste. The green tea story is more than a tale. It's a legacy that continues to unfold, one cup at a time. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of green tea's goodness. This humble brew isn't just a comforting drink. It's a treasure trove of bioactive compounds that spell wonders for our health. At the forefront are polyphenol antioxidants, and among them, a real superhero is epigallocatechin gallate, or simply EGCG. Now, antioxidants might sound like a health buzzword, but they're the unsung heroes in green tea. Picture them as tiny defenders in your cup, fighting off the villains known as cell damage. These antioxidants, especially EGCG, don't just stop there. They're like health boosters, working their magic in ways that go beyond mere sips. The story unfolds in the cells of our body, where these compounds dance like wellness wizards, weaving spells that contribute to our overall health. It's not just about preventing damage, it's about nurturing our well-being from within. So, the next time you take a sip of green tea, think of it as a moment of self-care, a tiny ritual that goes beyond flavor. It's about inviting these antioxidants, like old friends, to the wellness party happening inside you. Let green tea be your companion in this journey, where each sip is a step toward a healthier, happier you. Now, let me share a bit of excitement with you. Green tea is like a friendly boost for your metabolism. It's not just a tasty beverage, it's a little secret weapon in the world of wellness. What's the magic recipe, you ask? Well, it's a delightful mix of caffeine, antioxidants, especially the superhero EGCG, and some other fantastic compounds. Imagine this combo as your health ally, working behind the scenes to rev up your metabolism. Translation: it helps your body burn fat more efficiently, giving you that extra oomph in the physical performance department. Who wouldn't want a bit of that extra edge, right? So, the next time you're sipping on your green tea, know that it's not just about the soothing warmth or the delightful flavor. It's about those subtle helpers inside, teaming up to make you feel a bit more energized and a tad more awesome. Green tea isn't just a beverage. It's a sip of vitality, a flavorful kickstart to a healthier you. Cheers to that extra edge. But hold on, there's more to the green tea story than just physical perks. It's a mind-soothing marvel, too. Enter L-theanine, a rare gem of an amino acid found almost exclusively in tea. This little wonder isn't just about the taste, it's a relaxation maestro. Picture this. As you sip your green tea, L-theanine quietly goes to work, creating a serene atmosphere within. It's like a gentle breeze for your mind, promoting relaxation and dialing down the stress levels. Consider it your personal Zen moment in a cup, a calming ritual that transcends the ordinary sip and takes you to a tranquil space. So, the next time you reach for that mug of green tea, savor not just the flavor, but the serenity it brings. It's not just a drink, it's a moment of calm, a mindful pause in the midst of a bustling day. Cheers to finding your zen in a cup of green tea. Here's a little surprise for all you beauty enthusiasts. Green tea is not just a delightful sip, it's a beauty secret too. Those antioxidants nestled within, along with goodies like vitamin C, aren't just doing wonders for your health. They're also your ticket to radiant skin and luscious hair. Imagine green tea as nature's very own beauty elixir, working behind the scenes to combat signs of aging and enhance your natural glow. So, the next time you enjoy a cup, know that it's not just a flavorful treat, it's a sip of beauty magic. Let green tea be your ally in the pursuit of that radiant, healthy look, a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. Cheers to the beauty boost in every delightful drop. Now, let's take a little dive into the fascinating science that makes green tea truly magical. Within its leaves, you'll find an array of bioactive compounds, each with its unique role. Catechins steal the spotlight here, and among them, the superhero is EGCG, or epigallocatechin galat. Picture them as tiny warriors, armed with antioxidant powers. These mighty compounds don't just protect your cells. They're the guardians of heart health, working silently to keep things ticking smoothly. But that's not all. Green tea has more tricks up its sleeve. Enter L-theanine, an amino acid that's like a calming whisper to your senses. It adds a touch of tranquility to the mix, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. A little dose of zen in every sip. And let's not forget caffeine, the gentle stimulant that gives you a nudge without the jitters. It's the perfect companion for those moments when you need a gentle lift. So, in a nutshell, green tea's bioactive compounds are like a symphony, each playing its part in the harmony of health and well-being. But wait, there's more to the green tea saga. Backed by scientific research, this humble brew unfolds a myriad of health benefits that go beyond the ordinary. Let's unravel some of its remarkable advantages. Antioxidant properties. Green tea boasts polyphenol antioxidants, with EGCG taking the lead. These antioxidants are like superheroes, standing guard against cell damage and contributing to overall health. Weight management. If you're aiming to keep those extra pounds at bay, green tea might be your ally. Studies suggest that it can rev up your metabolic rate and enhance fat burning, particularly when paired with regular exercise. So, those 3 to 5 cups a day, they might just be your ticket to a healthier you. Reduced risk of certain diseases. Green tea sippers, rejoice. Research hints at a lower risk of specific cancers, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes associated with regular consumption of this delightful brew. Mental alertness. Need a mental pick-me-up? Green tea isn't just a physical boost. It may also sharpen your mental alertness. It's like a cup of clarity, a traditional remedy that aids digestion and helps regulate body temperature, skin health. Beyond the internal perks, green tea may cast its glow on your skin. Studies suggest it could positively impact skin health, lending a helping hand in tackling skin inflammation. So, whether you're sipping for taste or health, green tea has more to offer than meets the eye. A sip of well-rounded well-being. Now, let's chat about a few things to keep in mind, cautions and considerations when it comes to green tea. While it's a treasure trove of potential health benefits, going overboard or relying heavily on green tea supplements might throw a curveball your way. Here's the deal. Too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to unwanted side effects. Think insomnia, that unwelcome guest who overstays its welcome when you've had a bit too much green tea. There's also the chance of anxiety knocking on your door, disrupting your inner calm. And in rare cases, there's been talk about liver damage, a serious matter that, while uncommon, shouldn't be ignored. So the golden rule here is moderation. Just like you wouldn't binge watch your favorite show all night or devour an entire cake in one sitting, the same applies to green tea. Enjoy it, savor its goodness, but do so in sensible amounts. Your health journey is like a marathon, not a sprint, and green tea is a supportive companion, not a sprinting partner. So sip responsibly, be mindful of your body's signals, and let green tea be a refreshing part of your balanced lifestyle. There you have it, folks, the remarkable power of green tea revealed. What was once thought of as merely a comforting hot beverage has shown itself to be so much more. The range of health benefits from those antioxidant catechins to mood-boosting L-theanine truly makes enjoying green tea regularly a beneficial lifestyle choice. From protecting our precious heart health to even keeping our pearly whites sparkling, it seems the potential is limitless. And let's not forget that the moderate caffeine levels provide a bit of additional pep in our step. So if you liked hearing the myriad ways both body and mind can prosper from going green, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more handy health knowledge in the future. And click that notification bell so you can stay in the loop every time helpful new content is posted to keep you happy and well-informed. Now enough talk. Time for me to brew a hot cup of green goodness.